Pride, not just a word, but a profound state. A celebration of self, embracing fate. With courage, we stand our true selves revealed. In pride, authenticity is sealed. Pride celebrates love in its all form, from friendship to partnership, defining norms. It reminds us that love knows no bounds and it embraces joy and harmony surrounds. Pride opens door to equal opportunity, a world where everyone can pursue unity. It fights for justice, standing up for what's right, a beacon of hope guiding us through the night. Let us wear the color not just on parade, but etch them in our hearts where true pride is made. From when we embrace diversity with love as our guide, we discover the beauty of world unified.